Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video about this Fenvi T919 Wi-Fi Bluetooth PCIe adapter I got for my Hackintosh. I built my Hackintosh computer using some off-the-shelf parts that is capable of running Mac OS X a couple of years ago. It's a Gigabyte Z87X D3H motherboard with a Intel Core i5 4670K Haswell and 32 gigs of RAM and a GTX 750 titanium video card. My previous Bluetooth adapter was this USB dongle that I used, and it worked okay for keyboards and mices. However, whenever I wanted to use the Bluetooth audio, it would kind of stutter, so it didn't really work well with my headset, and I wanted something better. Also, I wanted to add Wi-Fi to my Hackintosh setup as well. So I picked up this adapter from AliExpress for about $50, but you can find them on eBay, of course, and various other online websites. You can probably find it on Amazon as well. So out of the box, you get this the PCIe adapter, which has a Broadcom chipset built in. It also has connections for 4 antennas, and it comes with this little cable here that is for the Bluetooth. So the Fenvi T919 has a Broadcom BCM94360 chipset, which works out of the box with OS X. I'm using it with High Sierra. You don't have to load any drivers or KEX files, and High Sierra supports it automatically. Installation was pretty simple. Just find yourself a spare PCIe 1X slot and just plug it in there. And next thing you need to do is hook up the provided cable, and this is what goes into a free USB header that's on your motherboard, and this cable is for the Bluetooth functionality of the adapter. So at the time of this video, you can see that I'm running Mac OS X High Sierra version 10.13.6. So after installing the adapter, I'll show you how it appears in the system information on my Hackintosh. So if you go down to the Bluetooth section, you will see the manufacturer. It says Broadcom and the firmware version, etc. So it gets detected automatically. And in the USB section, you'll also see some information on the Broadcom chipset for the Bluetooth. Next, we'll take a look at the Wi-Fi adapter. If you go down to networking, and you will see it here. So it is running a Broadcom chipset as well for the Wi-Fi. So everything gets detected and is working properly. As you can see in my Bluetooth panel now, I already have the Apple wireless keyboard connected and paired. I'm going to add my Bluetooth headset now. I'm just going to hit connect, and I'm going to pair it together, and then I'll be able to output audio to my headset. And if I go over to the sound section of this, the settings here, and you will see that it is also an option for input and output. So the Bluetooth adapter works really well, and there is no stuttering compared to my previous adapter. Whenever I played any music or any audio through it, there was a little bit of stuttering, and it was kind of annoying. So I never used the Bluetooth headset with my Mac because of that. So if you want to build your own Hackintosh and want a simple plug and play option for adding Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the Fenvi adapter is a very good option. Buying hardware that is supported and known to work will make your experience building a Hackintosh a lot easier. And with my own personal experience, everything on my Hackintosh pretty much works because I chose parts that were on the buyer's guide from TonyMac.com. Anyways, that's it for this video. I will see you next time.